Oh, great mid-November weather. I think I've said that before, too.
Oh,
yeah. It's just beautiful.
I think people are just going to come, all of them are going to move here.
No, don't do that.
They will.
No, don't do that. It's going to change. Not tomorrow, but it's going to change. Look across the area with our WxbWX11 radar, and everything's all clear. It's a quiet night tonight. Just some high clouds are starting to move their way in. And as those high clouds come in, it's a precursor of what's coming. It's adding more moisture. It's actually helping us set up for the possibility of some fog developing, especially in coastal areas. If you're east of 95, you are likely to see dense fog first thing in the morning. Widespread fog also possible farther out to the west. So we'll watch that through the night. These storms here are going to stay here and continue to rain themselves out. Slowly, this front, underlined slowly. Slowly, this is going to move in this direction. By the time it gets here, it will be a much weaker storm. That's very good news, because look at all of these hail reports from today. Each and every one of those little blue dots represents significant property damage hail from Missouri all the way up to Ohio. Now, none of that activity, again, is headed this way, though the computer models are keeping some moisture right here along the coast. I think they're reading the fog, which will be with us first thing in the morning, and again tomorrow or Wednesday morning. I think we'll see some sea fog Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. But here's the main event, and watch how it just kind of fades away. Heaviest rain goes up through the Carolinas. We do get some scattered showers by Thursday. Things are all clear, and it looks like it'll be clear right into the weekend. Temperatures cooling tonight. We're at 61 now here in Savannah, 66 Hilton Head, Vidalia 63, Waycross 66, the Borough currently at 63 degrees. High today was 79 after a morning low of 48. The normals, the records, we didn't quite hit the record. North, thankfully, the record low, over 10.5 inches now below normal in precipitation. The front, see, doesn't move very quickly, but each one of these red L's is an area of low pressure that's streaming along that front. Here's the last one, only it's going to be a little weaker by the time it gets here because the main core is much farther to the north and east. High pressure behind that is what actually is going to keep us dry for the rest of the week. Areas of fog early for mariners tomorrow. Beach water temperature down to 62 degrees. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Seas currently at 3 to 4 feet. So our WxbWX11 forecast for tonight, widespread dense fog. That's going to be an issue first thing in the morning. Fog should begin to form after 2 a.m. Will probably lift by 8:30, 9 o'clock. 54 should be our overnight low with just very light south winds. Dave Turley will have all that for you first thing in the morning, of course. Unseasonably warm air tomorrow. 80 should be the high. That's a late September kind of high. Isn't that nice? South winds at 6 to 9, down to 63 tomorrow night. Again, fog possible tomorrow night. Wednesday, a chance of showers, but it's late in the day. 79 should be the high, and once that pushes through, Thursday dries out 68, 65. We stay in the 60s, even to the 70s toward the end of the forecast period. And always happy to look ahead to the weekend. Rincon Christmas Parade coming up. Children's Book Festival, Forsyth Park. Christmas Made in the South is this weekend. Sunday will be the last day at the Trade and Convention Center. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. Watch out for fog first thing in the morning. Have a great day tomorrow.
Thanks, John.
Well, every